Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word on an Android phone in a simple way. If you want to open and edit documents on your mobile, now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your Android phone, search for Microsoft Word Edit Documents, then tap Install and wait for the app to download. Step 2. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch Microsoft Word on your phone. Opening the app is important so you can start setting it up for document use. Step 3. When the app opens, log in with your Microsoft account, or you can choose to sign in later or skip for now. Step 4. After entering the app, tap on the plus icon. This option is used to create or open documents. It helps you choose what type of file you want to work with. Step 5. Tap on Select a different location to find files stored on your phone. This is useful when your document is saved on internal storage or downloads. Step 6. Choose this device, then go to Settings if prompted and allow file access permission. Giving permission is important so the app can read documents from your storage. Step 7. Go back and select a file from storage or downloads to open it in Microsoft Word. Once opened, you can view and edit the document directly on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more easy tutorials.